Hello YouTube, what's up? How are you guys today? Well, today we are underneath the truck. When we were testing all the lights and everything out the other day, the brakes weren't working on the trailer unless you hit the button manually. When you press on the brake pedal, they weren't working. So today we are pulling everything apart. We're going to look at the wires, see if we can find anything visibly wrong, and go from there. So, this truck has both a plug in the bed, a 7-pin plug in the bed, and a 7-pin plug on the bumper. And then there's this plug in the middle, a connection here, and then another connection on the other side. But there is 4 green wires, 2 blacks, and 1 yellow, in which that's not right. Granted, these are just intermediate wires, so we just need to go through them and see what they're connected to on the other end. Make sure both ends are connected to the right wires, make sure that the wires are properly connected, and we'll see what it looks like when we get into this bundle here. But if we can get rid of this plug, it would be the better option, and just go from these wires here to the wires that are up here. So we're going to open this up, see what's going on there too, and go from there. Okay, we're getting unwrapping this, and it seems like the wires are soldered. At least the first one that I unwrapped here was soldered. Yeah, that one's soldered too. It looks like absolute crap, but it don't have to look pretty to work. Now, hopefully the rest of these are soldered. Let's go through and find out. Okay, so they're all color matched. They're all soldered. Even though the solder job looks like absolute crap, like look at this one. It looks terrible. But it works. It's not about what it looks like, it works. So, whoever did this, at least they wired it right. All the wires are matched. So, now we're going to go on to the next connection here. We'll go through all these and see what's up under here. Well, there you go, I'm done. It's all electrical taped back together and it's all zip tied back up, all nice and pretty. We don't know. We'll see next time we hook the trailer up if it fixed the brake problem or not. We'll test it out and go from there. If it doesn't fix it, then we'll continue to search. Okay, so this is what a 7-pin should be. Green is right turn signal, yellow is left turn signal, white is ground, brown is your tail light or your marker light, blue is your brake controller, and red is your battery, and purple are your backup lights. And then this is the proper pinning for an RV. watching. As always, like, share, and subscribe. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Have a good day, folks.